Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you my Advent for December the 22nd. So let's go ahead and get that out. And here is December 22nd. It is yarn and wool needles. So there's only one, but there's a yarn and wool needle, and it is plastic. So there's that. Yeah, nope, there's the second one. It's stuck in there. There it is. And there's the second one. So we got those. That's really cool. And I will find the 22nd on here. There it is. The 22nd on the Wooble. And on the Wooble, we got these little pins to help us pin our amigurumis together. That's cool. I like that. And on Southern Skeins, here is Southern Skeins. So this one open. And of course, it is always a beautiful mini skein. And this is done in reds and blues. How beautiful is that? Oh, wow. That goes real good with yesterday's. I love those. And of course, I have to get one from Hearts on Fiber. Just reach in, grab one. And this is Hearts on Fiber. And we'll check this one out. Oh, look at that. I love that. It's a stubby. And look at the colors on that stubby. That's beautiful. So there's our stubby. Love that. Yesterday we got the candle and we got the mini gauge. So that's really cool. So loving this. These Advents have been just a dream. So stay tuned tomorrow for the 23rd. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.